So, well, this is the inside of the joystick. You can see that the joystick is here and it connects to the block. In the block, it's got the mechanisms, the springs and everything, which will hold it in its central position, and which will also move the potentiometers on the side here and down here. The potentiometers, obviously, they have the 3 pins, live, ground, and then the one which goes to the analog pin. So I've soldered everything with the live all being joined centrally down here, and then the ground, I think there are 5 wires, I don't know if you can see it too well. 5 wires all joining down here. So they're joining all for the buttons and for the potentiometers. The LEDs, as indicated here, I used 2 different colors because it looked nicer and I didn't want to finish my blue LED supply. However, the LEDs do cause a voltage drop, which I had to fix in the software and the Python code. I've also got the resistor down at the bottom here. So that's just to prevent it from shorting. And then everything here is connected to my Arduino. Arduino here. I've got my plus 5 volts ground, A0, A1, and then digital 13 and digital 12. So then everything fits into, well, the original casing pretty well. I had to put a bit of paper here to hold the button in place. It was a bit wobbly. So that's pretty much the inside and all the soldering. Soldering's a bloody nightmare, to be honest. Yeah, so that's the inside of the joystick. And then this connects to my Arduino. The Arduino then connects to the Python program which I have written here. And then, yeah, from here, keyboard.press and then keyboard.release. So those are the Pi input functions. And all of that just works together and then helps me play Doom. I should have left Doom running, and I should have connected the Arduino to my laptop to show this. It's gonna take a while. So my Arduino is connected and it's powered up, as you can see here. It's connected to my laptop. Then from here I've got Doom running in windowed mode from DOSBox. Here I'm going to run my program, Control F5. So now we're waiting for the device and it's going to connect hopefully to COM7, and it's connected, which means now I can go back into DOSBox. Start the game. Unfortunately here I need to use my keyboard. And we're just going to start with the first episode, and because I'm terrible at this game, I'm going to choose I'm Too Young to Die. So now that it's loaded here, I still haven't put it back together. I'm a procrastinating piece of trash. So you can see here that when I press forwards, oops, I'm pressing left, sorry. Yes, now I'm pressing forwards, and now I'm moving in game. So it's kind of hard to control with one hand, but I'm sure you get the idea. Then the 2 buttons, one here, hold it down and it keeps on shooting. The other one is used to open doors, and if I can find doors somewhere over here. Here's the door, so then you press this button and then it will open the door. I did drop the controller and the button is out of play, its socket, which means that it might actually be tapping twice, and then here I can shoot the guy. Okay, so that's pretty much how it interacts with my computer. All the code is here, and then the Python program will read from there. All of this will be in my GitHub, the link will be in the description.